everyone, welcome back. Before we get into this video, I'd like to say thank you guys so much for all the views and likes on last video. Made me really happy. So we're gonna do another tutorial today. And since that one got so many likes and views, I'm going to be doing two things today. And those two things are going to be how to screen record and how to make a thumbnail for YouTube, custom one. So, to do screen recording, go to settings and scroll down until you find Control Center. Click on that and then go to customize controls, and then this will pop up. Now it'll show these and you can get rid of them and add more, but when you're down here, scroll down until you find screen recording. Click on that and then it'll pop up down here, and then if you swipe up, you'll see that it'll look like that. Now it's regularly it'll be gray, but when it's recording, which in my case it is right now, it'll be red. So also, if you hold down on it, this will pop up, and it'll tell you how long the video has been going, and you can also turn the microphone off. You can turn it off. So that's pretty much all you can do with that, and then you can also click the stop recording there, but I figure it easier to just swipe up and click it and click the red, or if you can see on my screen, there's a little red bar at the top and you can click that as well. So that's how you screen record. The next thing I'll be showing you is how to make a custom thumbnail. So you're gonna have to download YouTube Studio for this. But once you're in YouTube Studio, this will show up. Just to let you guys know, it might take a little while for it to load. It does that for me a lot. But what you're going to want to do is go down to videos, and then once you're down here, pick whatever video you want to change the thumbnail. Click on it and then click the little pen. Once that has loaded, click the other pen again, and then you can change it. It'll give you a few options, but to make it custom, all you got to do is click there. Now it'll show you this is for all your photos, where your photos are. I'll just do a cat for it because I like cats. And you can also move it around. So for example, you want it to show just the glasses. There you go. Or the head, and you can move it around and stuff like that. So after you've done that, click select, and there you go. Now also on here, you can change the description and the title and stuff like that. But that's pretty much it. I'm not going to do too much on that. So yeah. And make sure you click not Discord. Make sure discard. Make sure you save it. So that's basically it. I'd like to say thank you guys so much for watching. Also, thanks for all the views and likes again on last video. And if you didn't notice, I did make a new intro. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. And then on top of that, if you have any more suggestions, just tell me down in the comments, and I will make sure to try and do a video on that. Bye!